Was on the phone for a couple of hours, reminiscing on the good times, a couple of hours. You told me you just need to hold. Hey, it's your girl Ny'Ree, and we are back with another video. So as you can tell by the caption and the thumbnail, we are going to be doing another unboxing. So I actually have my MacBook Pro, and I already had a MacBook before, but it was a MacBook Air, and it was with the MacBook Pro. And this is it's not the newest version. It's like the second to the newest version or whatnot, because, you know, you're a little strapped for cash, but I got it. So, and then also, excuse my face. It looked kind of weird without my lashes on, but I had to take my lashes off because they were bothering me. So, this is the 13-inch MacBook Pro. It's the Intel Core i5, 8 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes SSD. If you are strapped for cash like me, but you want to have the storage so you can put your videos out, get an external hard drive. So this has this little tab at the bottom. I guess you just pull it and it opens it for you. So let's do that. I actually bought this from Best Buy. I went to the store, and the guy there, he was so freaking helpful. I went to the store thinking that I was gonna get this right out the store, but I didn't, and I had to order it, and it came super fast. Like, it came in like 2 days, no lie. So this is what it looks like. I unwrapped it. What the heck is going on? Come on, baby. Come on, honey. Ooh. So right out the page. So let's pull this here. And then, so underneath here, it looks like we have the charger port, and then we have some paperwork. Yep, this is the little charger that goes here. And right off the cuff, I noticed the MacBook Air that I have is like a 2013, and the chargers look totally different. Like, look at it. What the heck is going on? It had like a big, thick back that it was attached to. Like, I couldn't unattach it. So it has, you know, it comes with the little paper, you know, with the little stickers, you know, that kind of stuff. And then here's the charger. Yes, the charger is definitely different. Oops. Oh goodness. So it's a 61-watt USB-C power adapter. So this is what it looks like, and then it's where the little charger piece goes. That's that. Ugh. Okay. Oh, this is so sleek and compact. Like, what? I mean, look how big this is. Like, on my old one, my touchpad is not this big. Okay, so we're gonna tear the paper off. Okay, so let's see. How do we turn her on? Hello. Look at this on the sides. It only has like the USB on the side. It has a headphone jack here on the side. I don't see anything else on there, which creeps me out because my Air has so many other things that you can put in here. But anyway, let's figure out how to turn this on. I think you can press this button. Are you coming on, honey? We gotta charge her. Okay guys, so as y'all can see, I just put the charger on here. The one thing that I did notice is that I'm gonna have to actually get a port, or I'm gonna have to get a port to get like an HDMI port here, so it's gonna have different ports. I have to go purchase one. I'm gonna go to Walmart. It's asking me to complete this stuff here, so I'm just gonna go enter for English, find my location, so United States. I'm gonna just go to triple click touch ID. Okay, I'm gonna have to connect to the Wi-Fi, guys. So I put the information in there and now it's just loading. It says connecting. Here it says data and privacy, this icon, blah, blah, blah. I don't know why we never read the shit that say data and privacy. How do you want to transfer your information? I don't want to transfer my information right now. My Apple ID. Okay, so I just went ahead and put in my Apple ID and it says iCloud. I'm noticing at the bottom though it's getting hot. Why is it getting hot like that? So right here it says Express setup. You have signed into your Apple ID. Okay, cool. I don't feel like doing it. Weekly reports. Siri helps you get done or get things done. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Use your fingerprint to unlock your Mac and make purchases with Apple Pay. Start by placing your finger or thumb on the Touch ID. So, oh, that is so freaking cool. Look what that says right there. It says lift and rest your finger on the Touch ID repeatedly. It says it right here. What the Okay, I did it, y'all. I did it. Did my fingerprint. Okay, so add credit, debit, or store cards. I don't feel like doing it right now. I think I want to do the light right now. Your Mac automatically adapts to ambient light conditions to make colors appear consistent in different environments. You can change this later in display. Okay. So let's say it's setting up my Mac. It's setting up my Mac. I just need to get all this stuff done today. So what I'm gonna end up doing is dipping up out this piece, going to Walmart to go get this adapter. I just need all of it to be done. I really do. I just need all of it to be over. All right, all right. Or try tonight. Let's do later because try tonight. Okay. Automatic updates turned on. Okay. I'm just gonna turn this off for a second because it's really getting hot. Like I don't know why it's getting so hot. I don't know if this is normal. I'm gonna give that a, for now, an 8, just because it just started getting hot for no reason. I don't know if laptops do that, but the MacBook Air that I have downstairs just don't get hot like that. Like I can go down and my kid is on the MacBook Air right now, and I'm gonna go see if it's hot. But from me using it, like it's never gotten that hot before. And then another thing, the fact that it did not come with like the actual ports on there, like it doesn't even make sense. For the amount of money that you spend on that, it should come with ports. So now I have to go purchase a port that have different, y'all know what I'm trying to say. So that's why I would give it an 8, because that just pissed me off. But other than that, I love my MacBook. Like, I just like Apple products, but lately Apple been on some BS, and I'm gonna just tell y'all, why the fuck is y'all having us pay for shit that was already on the generation before? Y'all just making us buy extra shit. Like, I really think that's bullshit, and I'm just calling y'all out, and thank you. But yeah, so that is my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you press that subscribe button and comment down below if you feel how I feel about Apple, because right now that's bullshit. Can't even charge my camera on my computer. I'm charging it on my dock where I charge my Apple Watch, my phone, and my AirPods. Like, the fuck? But anywho, at least it's getting charged. But I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.